Hello, in front of me I have Logitech G502 X Plus, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use this screen sampler lightning mode to get real-time game color mirroring. Alright, so we need to launch our Logitech G Hub app. Now let's select our mouse, go into Light Sync, select the presets. Now we need to select the effect for the screen sampler. In here we have the sample, we can click on Edit. And now we have this box. Actually, let me minimize the window so I'll be able to show you how the lighting will change. So now let's click on the Edit. Now we need to grab this box. And for example, let's place it on that part. You can see that the lighting has been changed. Currently, it's in the base of the colors on the wallpaper. So now when I'll place it on the sky, the color has changed into blue. Pretty easy thing. And now when I'll go to the downside a little bit, in here we have that orange rocks. The color also has changed. So that's how this mode works. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.